Hello, once again, good morning to everyone. Today we will start our second question, third part of exercise 3.4. Second part you will do yourself. Same as it is question we have already finished in exercise 3.2 or in 3.1. Okay. Now third part of second question. The sum of the digit of a two-digit number. A two-digit number is given whose sum of the digit is 9. Like this one, 18. It means 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8, 9. Sum of the digit is 9. It means it is 18. No. Maybe this number 72. 72 or not? 7 plus 2, 9. Maybe this number 6, 3, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 8, 1. Maybe any number. So it means suppose it is given 18. Okay. I am taking only 18. Sum of the two digit is 9. Also 9 times this number is 9 times of this number. 9 times of this number is the twice the number obtained by the reversing the order. Reversing the order mean dear, unit digit is become tens digit become unit 81. It means we will write supposing to, we will change unit and 10 digits. Find the number. So what we will do? If you want to find any number dear, what you need? Unit digit we need and tens digit. Yes or not? So first, so it means 8 is unit digit and 1 is tens digit. So therefore let the unit digit of the number is x and tens digit of a number is y. Understand? One thing you have to tell me, suppose I am taking 18 and how to you write in expanded form. How will we write any number in expanded form? We have already learned in 6th class. In lower classes, we have already learned how to write in expanded form. So it means it is tens digit. It is unit. So tens digit means 10 into 1 plus 8 into 1. Okay. 1 into 8. Understand or not? Because it is 10 digit. So 10 into what is its digit? 1. 10 into 1 plus 10 into 1 10. 10 plus 8 18. Another one 26. How will write? Tens digit. So tens digit 10 into 2 plus 6 into 1. Same as it is dear. According to question, first equation we will write sum of the digit of two digit number is 9. It means first is 1 plus 8. Sum of digit 1 plus 8 9. What is digit? X and y. So first equation x plus y, sum of digit is 18. Note, it is 9 dear. Sum of digit is 9. It is equation number 1. Now we will find equation 2 because we are studying a pair of linear equation in two variable. Now what we will write? Now 9 times this number. So first we will find number. So write number is, what is number? Number, if I say you have unit digit, it is unit digit, it is tens digit, it is unit digit is x and it is y. So what we will write? 2 10 into y plus x into 1. It is a number or not? So write number is, what is 10 into y plus 1 into x. So what is number? 10y plus x. So what is this number? 10y plus x. Always tens digit is multiplied by 10. You can take dear unit digit is y, it is x, then you will write 10x plus y. Understand it or not? So now look at Now we will note down. So now second equation. 9 times of this number. What is this number? 9 into 26. Or 9 times of this number. What is number? 10y plus x is twice the number obtained. This number is equal to the is twice. Twice means 2 times of the number obtained by the reversing the order. So it means 26 become 62. So 2 times of 62. Same as it is, we will write its reversing number. Okay? Understand or not? To write reversing of number. How much become? Reversing of number mean dear 26 become 62. It means tens digit become unit. Unit become tens digit. So what we will write? So unit become tens. So 10 into x plus y. Understand or not? Now we will write 10 because we are reversing order. First number is tens digit. Y into x. So 10 y plus 1 into x. After reversing it is become xy. So it is tens digit. So 10 into x plus y. I hope you understand clearly. Okay. So now you can write equation. What is equation? So equation is that 9 times this number. What is number? It is number. So what is 9 times? 9 into 10y plus x equal to is mean equal twice. Whose twice? Twice 2 times of the number obtained by the reversing order. What is reversing order? It is 10x plus y. Understand it? Now it is your second equation. So now we will solve. First is 9 into 10 90y plus 18 equal to 20x plus 2y. Understand? Do you understand or not? Now we will write the equation. What is given? Reversing the order of the digit, find the number. So y we write one side, or all variable we write one side. Okay. So what is 20x? Sorry, it is become 9 into x, not 18 here. 9 into 10, 90y, it is 9x. Understand it? So now 9x another side become minus. So it is become 11x. 90y another side minus. Minus 88y equal to 0. It is second equation. Do you understand it? It is your second equation. So now we have already made 2 equations here. Now we will use, what we will use? We will use, what is elimination method? You can solve by substitution also, but in this question is given, we have to find by elimination method. So what is equation? So x plus y equal to 9, it is equation 1. Next is 11x minus 88y equal to, it is 0. Now tell me dear, we want to make coefficient of the one variable are equal. So what we will do? How can we make coefficient of x is equal? It is 11. Here is 1. So it means we should multiply equation by 1 by 11. Or another option, what is? Or you can make variable of y also equal. It is y. It is 1y. It is 88. So first equation multiply 88. But it is easier one. If we multiply by 11, we can multiply easily. So therefore we will write multiply equation 1 by what? By 11. So what is become 1? 11x plus 11y multiply by each number equal to 99. Equation 3. Now we have to find. So now we will use equation 2 and 3. We want to remove one variable. 11x positive, 11x positive. How can we remove? If there is a minus sign, so we will subtract equation 2 from 3, or you can write subtract equation 3 from 2. Anyone you can write, right? Subtract equation 3 from 2. From equation 2. So what we will write? Equation subtract. Which one equation? Equation 3. So 11x minus 80y equal to 0, dear. Now 11x plus 11y equal to 99. And what we write? What I write here? Subtract. So subtract mean we have to change the sign. Positive become negative. Negative. It is also negative. 11x minus 11x. 0. Minus 88y minus 11y. It is minus 99y. Minus 99. Minus minus. Positive. Because minus minus positive. 90. 90 is here multiply. Another side divide. 99 divided by 99. It is 1. So you can cut like this one also. That is y equal to 1. So what we have already find? Y. What is y? Y is tens digit. Now we will find here unit digit. Unit digit how will you find? We will put same as it is by substitution method. Put y equal to 1 in equation. In which equation you will put? If we will put y equal to 1, it is some bigger one equation, because 11 is multiplied, but here only x and y. So it is, you can put in equation 1. You can put in any equation, dear. It is always right. Okay. So y equal to 1 in equation 1. So x plus y equal to 9. X plus y is 1 equal to 9. So x, 1 another side, minus 9 minus 1, 8. So how much? X is 8. So you can write unit digit. Unit digit how much is x, and you will write tens digit. Tens digit is 1. So therefore number is 18. So what is this number? It was 18. You can verify also. Sum of digit x plus y is 9. 1 plus 8, 9. Yes. Second equation, 9 times of this number. 9 times of this number. 9 times. So 9 into 18 is equal to the, is twice. Whose? Twice is the number obtained by reversing order. What is reversing? 81 of reversing of 18. 81. 9 into 18, 162 equal to 162. It means our answer is right. Understand? Only, dear, you have to remember in this question, important is that this one. How will we write number? Always write multiply tens digit by 10 and unit by 1. Then we will write number. And reversing the order, you can understand. So note down it. It is very easy question and important also, dear. Okay. So note down it. Okay. Next question. Now next part, fourth part. What is given? Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the manager or cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. She want only rupees in 50 rupees note or 100 rupees note. Meena got 25 notes in all. So Meena got only 25 notes, and both notes are 50 rupees or 100 rupees and total rupees 2000 and total notes 25. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and how many notes of 100 rupees. So whatever we want to find here, we will take it. Let Meena get 50 rupees notes. How many 50 rupees notes? X. Okay. And Meena get 100 rupees notes is Y. So now we will write according to question. What is? So it is 50 rupees note. It is 100 rupees notes. But in the question is already given how many total note she got. 25 notes. So it means 50 rupees note X plus Y equal to how many? 25. It is first equation. Understand is dear? Next is, and one more thing is given. She asked the cashier to give 50 rupees and now we will use this word also. How many total rupees? 2000 rupees. Suppose dear, if I say you have 450 rupees note and you have 600 rupees. So how many total rupees? So how many total rupees? So it means for how many note of 50? In 150 note how many rupees? 50. In 250 note how many rupees? 2 into 50. 100 rupees or no? Same as it is. In 450 note how many rupees? 4 into 50 note. And how many rupees in 50 and 100 rupees? Plus how many note of 60? Of 100. 6 note into 100 equal to total rupees. How many total rupees? 4 into 50, 200 plus 6 into 100, 600. So total rupees, it is like this one. Total rupees is 800, 4 note of X, 4 note of 50 rupees and 6 note of 100 rupees. Same as it is. How many 50 rupees? X. Here is how many 50 rupees? 4. So 50 rupees. So total rupees 200 in place of 800. So what is? So we'll write 50 into X, because 50 rupees note how many note? X rupees plus 100 rupees note Y note equal to total rupees. 50 into X, 4 into 50, 200 rupees. So it is equation number 2. Understand? Because she went to bank to withdraw how many rupees? 2000 rupees. Mean how many 50 note into 50? Total rupees of total amount of in 50 rupees note. And it is total amount in 100 rupees note. So equal to total rupees. Now you can solve it by elimination method. What we will do? We will make the coefficient of variable of one variable. We will make it same, either X or Y. If you want to make coefficient of X are equal, so what number we will multiply by equation 1? By 50, 50, 50. Or you can multiply by 100 also. 100 and 100. By any one method you can use. But which one is a small number? 50. So it is better we will multiply by 50. Okay. You can multiply by 100 also. First we are making coefficient of Y are equal. Okay. By any method you can do it. So right. Multiply equation 1 by 100. So what you will write? 100x plus 100y equal to 2500. Equation number 3. Now we will use equation 2 and 3. 50x, 100x. And 100y positive. So we have to do subtract. So we will write subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So from equation 3, so 100x plus 100y equal to 2500. Next is 50x plus 100y equal to 2000. Subtract Subtract mean change sign. Positive become negative. Negative, negative, negative. 100y minus 100y 0. It is 50x equal to. It is 500. So now what we will write? So 50 is another side. Divide. So it is become x equal to 10. How much? You can multiply. You can cut directly. 51 ja 50. It is 100. It is 10. So it is x equal to 10. So how many not of 50? 10. So now put x equal to 10 in equation. Which one is small equation? For equation. Easier one equation. Equation 1. So x plus y equal to 25 dear. So x is how much? 10. 10 plus y equal to 25. So how much y? So y is 10 is another side minus how many? So 15. You can verify also. Total note x plus y 25. 10 plus 15 25. And second equation you can satisfy. How many total rupees? 200. 2000. So how many note of 50 rupees? 10. So 10 into 50. Put here x. 15 to 10. 500 plus 100 into. How many of 100 note? 15. 100 into. So this one 1500. So total rupees 2000. It's mean our answer is right. Understand it? Now next question. And in last you can write total 50 rupees notes 10 and total 100 rupees notes are 15. Okay. Now last fifth part. Okay. Fifth part is same as it is. Exercise 3.3 third question fourth part. Same as it is questions. Okay. Only I make the equation and you have to do yourself. What is given? A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. If you want to go in a library, there is a fixed charge for first 3 days. For the first 3 days. And an additional charge for the each day thereafter. Thereafter means after 3 days. Suppose dear, you are going in a library in 10 days. It means there is a some fixed charge for the first 3 days and there is the some more and thereafter additional charge for each day. So after 3 days and for a some fixed charge for the first 3 days. So how many days is remain? 7 days. For the 7 days there is a for each day there is a some charges. Okay. So next is thereafter. Sarita paid 27 rupees for the 7 days. So 7 days mean Sarita went in library 3 days. 7 days. It means 3 days. For 3 days there is a some fixed charge. Yes. And fixed charge. And how many days is left? 4. So it means for each day. For the 4 day there is a some charge, additional charge. And Sushi paid 21 for the 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra days. So what we will do? Let the fixed charge for the 3 days x and charge for the extra days y is 7. So now first we will find how much Sarita paid. Sarita paid total 27 rupees. And how we will find fixed charge for how many days? For 3 days. So Sarita is already paid x rupees for the 3 days and total how many days? 7 days. So how many remain? So 4 days and into 4 days. And what is given? Charge for each extra days. Not for after 3 days. It is given after 3 days there is a additional charge for each day. So everyone know for each extra days how many rupees? Y. For 2 days 2y. For 3 days 3y. And for 4 days 4y. So x plus 4y equal to 27. It is equation 1. One more example. look at. I am giving you an example. Look, let fixed charge. Suppose you are going in a library, you have to pay fixed charge 4 rupees. Okay, 4 rupees for 3 days. How many days? For 3 days. And for additional charge for each day, additional for each day, how many you will pay? You will pay for additional charges, suppose 2 rupees for each day. Suppose you want to go 8 days in library. So what is given? There is a fixed charge. How many rupees? 4 rupees plus for 3 days. So 3 days you have already paid. How many remain? 5 days. And for additional for each day, how many rupees? 2. So for 5 days, 2 into 5. Same as it is. Fixed charge X 4 rupees plus how many days remain? 5. So 5 into 4 each day, 2 rupees. So 2y. Understand it? So I hope you understand it. Next is dear. Next equation. While Susi paid 21 rupees for 5 days. Total is 5 days and we know some fixed charge for first 3 days. For 3 days and now 2 days. For 3 days she will pay X rupees and for 2 days 2 into Y. It is equation 2. Understand it? So now we have to find value of X and Y. We observed that already coefficient of X are equal. So no need to multiply. What we will do? X is positive, X is positive. Subtract equation 1 from 2 and we will find value X and Y. Understand this, dear? I hope you understand it. Now do one more example. Look at. Now dear, look at one example. Suppose it is given first equation 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Second equation, now one more question number 2. Till now dear, we have already finished the question of this type. 7x plus 4y equal to 10x plus y equal to 20. Solve this equation by elimination method. So what we will do? We will make the coefficient are equal. We observe that it is 1x, it is 7. If we will multiply equation 2 by 7, so 7x become equal. It is easy. Or 4 is multiplied, then it is very easy. But if some question is come like this one, what you will do? So now tell me how to make coefficient are equal. We observe that it is 9, it is 7. There is any. How can you make? It's mean what number you multiply equation 1? We don't know. Because what number you multiply by 7, then it is become 9. So it is not in table of Y. So what we will do? So it means in this case dear, you can find the LCM of there. The LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. So what number you will multiply by 9? 9. It is become 63. 9 into 7 and this is 9. Otherwise, no need to find LCM. What we will do? In this case, when there is any problem, what we will do? Multiply equation. Here is 9. Multiply equation 2 by 9 and equation 1 by 7 because 9 into 7, 63. Same as it is equation 2 by 9, 7 into 9, 63, 63. So like this one you can solve it. So what we will do? Only you have to change 7 by 1, 9 and no, listen. Equation 1 multiply by 7 and equation 2 by 9. So write multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 9. Only you have to change. So by 7, 9 into 7, 63x minus 7, 28y equal to 14,000. Next, by equation 2 by 9, 9 into 7, 63x minus 9 into 3, 27 by 9, 18,000, and subtract. You can and here you can write and subtract equation 2 from 1 you can write, okay? Otherwise you can write in next part. 63. Now you can multiply, or you can make the coefficient of y also equal. So how can you make? Multiply equation 1 by 3 and second equation by 4, because 3 into 4 12, 4 into 3 12. So you can write multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 this one by 4. Now you can 4 into 3 12, 12 into 3 4. So it is your answer, okay? So if there is a such type of equation you will come, what you will do? 1 time by 7, 1 time by 9, 1 by 3, 1 time by 3, 1 time by 4. So I hope you understand it. Now you have already finished this exercise also. Understand? So please do your example number 11, 12 and 13. Your homework is example 11, 12 and 30. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.